So this fine morning, the IIM Trichy final admission results are out. The IIM Trichy results are out, and in this video, allow me to take you through a bit of an analysis about the IIM Trichy placements. How are they? Whether they are good enough for you to go for there? What sort of companies and sectors come there at the IIM Trichy placements? And also then we'll move to the IIM Trichy waitlist movement. This is going to be a crucial video for you because now we're heading on to the CAP IIMs. IIM Trichy is out. Also IIM Udaipur is out. My next video is going to be on that. So stay tuned for this. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. So here we go. Let's understand a few things, a few very interesting things about IIMT. Stick up till the end because in this video, I'll also be sharing with you something interesting about the amount of buffer calls which an IIM Trichy gives out. So you'll get some idea on that also. Now a few frequently asked questions about IIM Trichy especially because there are two programs over there. One is your standard PGPM, then the other is an HR specific program. जानना जरूरी है. Now first of all, separate placements for both PGP and PGP HRM. Separate placements होती हैं. This is confirmed by a PGP HRM student only. ठीक है. Clubs and committees are the same. So you can be a PGP HRM student and you will still be having access to the same clubs, finance, marketing and all of those. Then the PGP HRM first year curriculum is the same as PGP. वो same है. First year में same है. Obviously. Second year में then you have electives in PGP HRM which are different from the electives which are there in the normal program, which means more HR specific electives are there in PGP HRM. First year same है. उसके बावजूद भी placements separately organize होती हैं. We've seen a lot of other institutes जहाँ पे subjects are the same of the first year and they do the placements एक साथ and all of those things. So we've seen all kinds of things happen. From there, I'll take you to the placements over the years and I'll be showing you PGPM separately, PGP HRM separately. PGPM placements have been ever increasing. My only problem with an institute like IIMT or a few others is that the placement reports are not audited. Whereas for a college like IIM Udaipur, IIM Ahmedabad, these placement reports are beautifully audited. You can see the details as well. So ये बस एक थोड़ा सा issue है मुझे. Now as you can see that the placements have been steadily increasing. The ones which you can see in blue are the median salary. The ones which you can see in orange is the average salary. As I always say to my students, median is a good statistic to look at that gives you a much more balanced view of things. You can see this over here. PGP HRM, the average salaries are like this. You can see that in PGP HRM, the salary has also been increasing. However, we've not been able to find data previous to the 22 batch. So for the last two ones, this looks as if this is going okay and it will only grow from here. It seems like that. Then from there, what about the batch size? Now this slide is very important because at the last, when I'll be sharing with you the waitlist movement at IIMT, that what is going to be the waitlist over there, then this data is going to be extremely important. So the batch size of PGP HRM is around 50, whereas the batch size of PGPM is upwards of 350, 360. अभी last में important है. Placement का एक और snippet है. This is extremely interesting because this will help you understand कि किस किस्म के placements होते हैं at IIM Trichy. What is the flavor of the placements at IIMT? Now here's the thing. If you were to look at the highest percentage of offers, the 31% of offers in the last year were in finance. It is also usually known among the CAP IIMs as the place to be for finance. However, allow me to highlight that these are not specifically the kind of finance program you think they are. This is not investment banking. This is not PE, VC. A lot of these finance roles could also be financial sales for all you know. It could be finance in an insurance organization, which is not the same as the finance, the corporate finance which you are expecting. So yes, while we are seeing that yes, the institute is laying more focus on finance like it always has, which is good. It is trying to build a niche for itself in finance. However, you need to go through the placement report yourself. आपको खुद भी placement report में जाना होगा. ये वीडियो से कुछ नहीं होता है. ये सिर्फ एक समराइजेशन है. प्लेसमेंट में जाइए, रिपोर्ट्स में देखिए what kind of companies are there. I have seen it, therefore I'm saying this to you. Then from there, let's just see that in terms of the average salary, the highest salary you get is in operations. However, again, I would not say that for operations IIMT is the place to be, because if you see that the percentage of offers are only 6, so only very few offers have been so high. Hence, for me, if you were to look at, if you were to have some understanding of this, look at the percentage of offers which are above 10%, which means that you will get some understanding from these remaining salaries out there. Now again, consider कंसल्टिंग जो भी यहाँ पे है, दैट कंसल्टिंग इज नॉट द फ्रंट एंड वन, दैट इज नॉट योर McKinsey, Bain, BCG front end client facing consulting roles. No, this is usually back end capability network, back end analyst role. That is where you start. Also, this would be including, and this does include a lot of consulting startups, a lot of niche consulting firms as well. So all of this is there. Again, I would advise you to go through the placement reports. Now that you have a full snippet of IMT's placement and this thing, now we'll head on to the waitlist movement at IMT. A lot of interesting things are there. You will know that how many extra calls do they give in their main list. अभी जो offers दिए हैं उसके अंदर buffer calls कितने ज्यादा होते हैं, you will get an idea from this. And before I move on to the waitlist movement at IMT, one very important announcement for everybody who's got the final admission offer from IMT or is in the waitlist. You know about my course How to Be School. It is a pre-MBA program. It is a program for anybody who is going into their MBA. It's a complete walkthrough so that you can maximize the outcome from your MBA. I do understand MBA is a new place. You would not know about what is going to happen in your acads, in your placements, in your extra curricular activities. What should you do? How do you live? How do you make friends? All of those things. So all of those things are captured in this program. You can go and see it here. While there was a launch offer a few days ago, now for the CAP results for the next 3 days, I have brought out an offer only on the Pro Plus plan. So just go here, use the code CAPMANIA, and on this Pro Plus program, you will be able to avail 500 off only for this weekend, after which this offer will go. So if you are interested in this, do explore this page. Now I will take you through the waitlist offers at IIM Trichy. Here is what it is. I have compiled the data of last year. This is authentic data which is not only RTI based but is also available on the IMT website. Now here's the thing. General waitlist for all for the 2 programs. You can see I was wanting to find this for the previous years as well so that I can give you a proper trend of this. However, I was not able to find it. However, one very interesting thing I would want to show to you. This waitlist movement of 270 is okay, but just so that you actually understand, in the PGPM program, as you had seen somewhere over here, the batch size is around 360, 370. However, now here is what you will actually see. The number of merit list offers means जो आज आई है वो जब last year आई थी list, first list में they had given converts to upwards of 2000 students. 2100 students were given final admission offers. I'm not surprised about this. I am not saying that hey something is very scandalous and scammy. No, this is how buffer calls work. It means that जितनी seats है हमारे यहाँ पे हमने उससे ज्यादा लोगों को confirmed admission offer दिया है because we know that a lot of students will say no to us. Hence, in the first list itself, we give so many converts that our waitlist movement will not look horrible. It will not go into the thousands and all. So that is one of the primary reasons why some extra calls, what you call as the buffer calls, are offered. The same thing. In fact, even more interesting than this is from the PGPM HR. You would have seen that the number of seats in this program is only approximately 50 to 60 seats. However, the offer which they give for this is 2650. 2600 लोगों को फाइनल कन्वर्जन ऑफर आया होगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली. फिर उसके बाद जाके वेटलिस्ट मूव होती है यहां तक. ये दिखाने का ऑब्जेक्टिव 2 है. पहली चीज ये है, यू नीड टू क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड दिस. माय जॉब, while it is to present all of these things to you, it is also to explain to you that what does it imply. It implies 2 things. आप किसी भी IIM की क्वालिटी उसके वेटलिस्ट मूवमेंट से असेस नहीं कर सकते हैं because you don't know how many extra calls in the first list has that institute shared. हो सकता है while some institutes waitlist movement will look smaller and you would think, oh, not many seem to be leaving this institute, but the fact is because they've given so many extra calls out. That is that. And this especially applies to these CAP IIMs. This will not apply to an ABC because वहाँ पे वैसे ही वो लोग कोई नहीं छोड़ता है seats, but यहाँ पे ये है. Second चीज which you can actually understand from this is that nobody can predict how much will the waitlist move this year because again you don't know how many extra calls they would have shared. जब हजारों में extra calls जा रहे हैं, आपके batch size से 3 times तो extra calls ही हैं, no one can predict it. So just see this data, see it, know it, and that is all you can do. My next video is going to be on the IIM Udaipur final admission results. Please wait for it and you'll know what the waitlist is going to be there. Thanks a lot and goodbye.